Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto using a mortar and pestle. First, gather your fresh ingredients. About 2 cups of basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Ensure your basil is washed and completely dry before you begin. Next, place your garlic cloves and a small pinch of coarse salt into the mortar. Begin to grind them with the pestle, using a circular motion, until they form a smooth, uniform paste. Then, add your lightly toasted pine nuts. Continue to grind and crush them into the garlic paste until the mixture is well combined and has a slightly coarse texture. Now it's time for the basil. Add the fresh basil leaves to the mortar in small handfuls. Gently bruise and grind them against the sides, working in batches until all the basil is incorporated and forms a vibrant green paste. Finally, stir in your grated Parmesan cheese and, if you like, some pecorino romano for an extra layer of savory depth. To finish, slowly drizzle in about 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, mixing continuously until your pesto reaches a smooth, emulsified consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your homemade pesto is now ready. Store it in an airtight container, topped with a thin layer of olive oil, in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.